Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Finally, the pre-qualification is live. Becexy Pre-Qualification is live. CEDEX.io and all the airdrop that is going to be listed under Becexy. The pre-qualification is live, so you need to do this right away to secure your airdrop. Right now you can see what they said here. They say it is happening. Pre-qualification is live. Head over to the portal and complete your qualification now. Got questions? The full guide on how to qualify is in the post above. If you have any question, you can go here to read more. You can read more about it in this guide. They said, note, the first CEXY code, the final key to complete the qualification, will be published in Becexy social media in the next few hours. So make sure to follow all our social media and turn on notification. That way, you will be among the first to find the CEXY code, as it is limited by the number of users. Exactly. And my question is, a lot of people is going to miss this airdrop because it is limited, as they said. Before you say Jack Robinson, boom, you hear it is limited. So if you're in Nigeria, you'll be expecting the code around 3 o'clock p.m. That is when you'll be expecting the code. The code arrived today at 3 o'clock. So make sure that you are on your phone. Immediately it's 3 o'clock. Check to know when the code will drop so that you can log in immediately. Today I missed today's because before I know it, they said limited. So right now let's go to the portal to do the necessary thing. Now tap on this portal link, and if you're here to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Also follow us on Telegram. We will be sharing important update there, so make sure you subscribe to our Telegram channel if you haven't done that. So let's click on the portal to do the needful. Now you click on open. This is Becexy link. So you see, welcome to the future of engagement. To click on get started. So right here you can see your position and the link. If you have not joined the email verification, I'm going to drop my referral link in the video description. Please do well to use that referral link and join immediately. You can find your email somewhere here, so you have to click on this airdrop. So over here you can see my email is already connected, and my Telegram is already connected. So these two is already connected. So what I'm going to do is that I need to connect my wallet, and I also need to follow CEXY code on, I think, Telegram or YouTube. I need to follow them on YouTube. So before you click on connect wallet, you must make sure that you have downloaded this Wigwam wallet. So what you are going to do is to tap on this Wigwam. If you are going to download it on the Play Store, it will take you to the Play Store. You download it, just tap on it. Try the new Wigwam mobile app and unlock the magic box. So whichever phone you are using, but preferably click you to the Google. Then you click on the Google Play. So I've already installed the app. So all you have to do is just to install the app. Now you click on open. Once you install the app, open it. So this is the Wigwam mobile app. So allow it to load. So over here now, they say let's get started. You are going to put the same email you use on Telegram. Make sure you use the same email. You're going to put that email here. Then you click on continue over here. They say verifying email, so give it time to verify. And once it's verified, you can now see check your have sent me OTP. I'm going to my email to copy the OTP. If you did not get it, okay, the email has already arrived. If you did not get the email, check your spam folder. Now the code is 589518. 589518 is verified. You can now manage your assets, buy, sell, and trade. So you click on create my wallet right here. Now read the terms and policy. We are not here to read the terms and policy. We are here to make money. But if you choose to read it, you can read it. Just scroll down. Then you click on agree and sign. Now they say hold to agree and sign. Hold it. Okay, sign in. Creating your wallet. We are setting up your new wallet. This usually takes just a few seconds, so you need to give it time. Do not rush it. They are creating your wallet. Your wallet is ready. Your wallet is ready. You can now manage your assets. So you need to click on back up my wallet. You need to back up your wallet. tap on it. So they said secure your wallet. Follow these steps to secure your wallet. One backup method is required, but we strongly recommend using all available options to fully secure your wallet. So secure it with passkey, you can secure it with Google Drive, you can secure it with password. So choose any one. I'm going to use both passkey and password. I don't like this Google Drive. So click on passkey. So now I'm going to use password as well. So I'm going to create a strong password. You know how to claim and confirm your password. Then you tick this box. Once you create your password, you tick this box and you click on continue. You click on complete the form. Backing up your wallet. We are backing up your new wallet. This usually, so you give it time to back up. Password backup completed. Your wallet is backed up with password successfully. So what you are going to do is to click on done. Click on this done. Then you click on finish setup. Single backup risk. So you need to back up again. Okay, let me try this passkey again. I've successfully used passkey to back up my wallet. So you can enable biometrics unlock. Remind me later. So right here you can see this is the wallet. You can see the portfolio, the market, the activity. Now my wallet is good to go. So I need to connect my wallet. Now let's go back to the pre-qualification, that Becexy, to connect our wallet. So since we have set up our wallet, we need to connect the wallet. It is recommended you use this Wigwam. So this is what the project recommended. Although you can use other one, but use the one that the project recommended to avoid stories. Now click on connect. Please use external browser. We recommend that you connect wallet using external browser on your mobile phone, as you may experience connection issues by continuing Telegram browser. So they are saying we should use an external browser. So we are going to copy the link. This is the link. Let's just copy the link. This is the Becexy link. Tap on it to copy, or click on the three dotted line. Then click on share. Click on share. Then you can see copy link. Click on copy. Now let's go to the Chrome and paste the link there. They said we should use an external browser. So I'm going to paste the link we copied here on the search box. Then click on paste. So this is the link, you search it. So this is the Becexy. So you need to sign in with the same email. You need to sign in. Then you click on send me code. They are going to send you code. They are going to send you code for you to continue. You just have to sign in again so that you can now use it on the Chrome extension browser. Okay, the code has arrived. Single code.